Hello, welcome back. Today I'll try to solve another Leetcode problem, 1869, longer contiguous segments of ones than zeros. So this means we need to find the longest consecutive of ones. For example, this is 2. And for zeros, the longest consecutive is 1. So 2 is more than 1. This is why we're going to return a true. For the second example, they are equal. So for the longest consecutive of ones, it is 3. For the longest consecutive of zeros, it is 3. So it is not more than 3 is not more than 3. So we're going to return false. So for such problems, we need to recognize the pattern first. So first of all, it is a string or an array, and it is also the contiguous segment. It means the pattern is list groups. So we can use list groups template to solve the problems. Now let me do some preparations for the template. So we're gonna prepare a variable ones and zeros. This means the ones will record the longest consecutive of ones, and zeros will record the longest consecutive of zeros. Then I'm going to prepare the normal template I and n. I is the first index, n is the length of the array. So for ones, it will start with 0, and 0 will also start with 0. For the I index, it will start with 0, and for the string, it will be length of s. Now I'm going to use the while loop. So for while less than n, I'm going to record a start will be equal to I, and then I'm going to use the while loop less than n minus 1, and I'm going to check. From here, it depended on the description of the problem, because I'm going to check the same value. So the si equal to si plus 1. If they are the same value, so the I pointer will be updated by 1, and when it goes out of the loop, so we need to check two conditions if it is the same values of zeros or ones. So we need to check the start value. If s start equal to 0 and equal to 1, let's make it a 1 first. It doesn't matter. So if it is a 1, we're going to have our record. So the ones should be equal to the maximum of ones with I minus start plus 1. Similarly, you got update the 0 condition. If s start equal to 0, you just need to update the zeros. Now let me see. Updating of the zeros should be equal to the max of zeros with the same. Yeah, bear with me, it's a little bit slow. Let me just copy the code to try to check if the copy and paste is faster than typing. Now it's the same, I minus start by 1. After that, we're gonna update the I pointer will be shifted to the right by 1. Now we can return the result if this ones is more than zeros. Now let me run it to check if it really works. As you can see, it works. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. By the way, the template is the same. Basically, we use I and n, and we use the two while, and the start pointer will record the first I, and here will be the same. And inside, we just need to check this condition. The only difference, we need to check the consecutive of ones and zeros. You can use the s.start equal to 1, 3, 1 to check if the same values as 1 or 0. You just need to record two variables, ones and zeros. Finally, you just need to return a ones more than zeros or not, because this is dependent on the description. We just need to return a Boolean value. Thank you for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more Leetcode problems like this.